Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making chocolate ice cream cake. I bought the Neapolitan ice cream and for some reason my kids didn't like the chocolate ice cream. So it's been sitting in the freezer for a long time. So today guys, I decided to make something out of it. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Start by throwing your ice cream at room temperature. Add 1 egg to the chocolate ice cream and mix well. Next, we're gonna add sugar. Give it a good mix. Mix. Once everything has mixed, we're gonna go ahead and add flour. Mix well until well combined. This recipe is simple and easy to make. Throw your ice cream, then dump all your ingredients in one bowl. Then bake your cake. How simple is that? Next, add vegetable oil. You can also use canola oil. Mix until everything is well combined. The cake batter looks good. We're gonna go ahead and coat our baking pan with baking spray. Slightly pour the batter into the baking pan. Then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. This cake pairs well with bittersweet chocolate icing. The cake is out of the oven. Guys, it looks so beautiful and it smells so amazing. We're gonna let it cool slightly in the pan, then invert it to a cooling rack to cool completely. Now let's move on to make our chocolate icing. In a medium saucepan over medium-low heat, add condensed milk and bittersweet chocolate chips. We're gonna cook this until the chocolate has melted. Make sure you stir frequently. As soon as the mixture starts getting hot, turn off your heat. Stir the chocolate until it's nice, smooth, and glossy. Our cake has cooled completely. The icing is done. So we're gonna go ahead and ice our cake. Just like so, guys. This recipe works well with other flavors of ice cream. You can use vanilla ice cream, strawberry, any kind of ice cream of your preference. Finish it off with chocolate sprinkles. There you have it, guys. Delicious chocolate ice cream cake. I hope you'll try this recipe, guys. And if you do, please leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know how it turned out for you. A lot of people have been asking about my recipes. You can find them in the description box down below the video. I have all the ingredients and the measurements. Please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And please guys, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Mama Bui's Kitchen. Please guys, help us to grow this channel. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my honey. Bye.